Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushna. Friends, in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and very easy to make collection of hand embroidery silk ribbon flowers, or you can say silk ribbon hand embroidery or silk ribbon embroidery or silk ribbon work or simply ribbon work. Friends, these flowers can be used for making or designing a number of things in a variety of ways. You can use these design ideas to make very beautiful face masks, to make these patterns onto your glasses covers, onto your handbags, office bags, even onto your handmade hand knitted footwear, gloves, sweaters. You can make these very beautiful and easy to make pretty silk ribbon embroidery floral patterns onto your denim jackets, jeans, denim shirts. And not only this, for home decor you can use these embroidery flowers for a reason of ways in a number of variety of dimensions. Like you can make these flowers onto handkerchiefs, onto table covers, onto towels, onto bath towels, onto hand towels, onto bed sheets, cushion covers, pillow covers, and whatever you like to. So I hope that my today's video is helpful and informative and a very easy to make collection of specially silk ribbon embroidery beginners. So if you really like the designs, kindly do try them at home and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in a new video with a new content.